Are you tired of sleepless nights?
Then these tips and products might be just what you need for a good night's rest. Hi, I'm Mackenzie Scott, Certified Professional Organizer and the Lead Organizer at M2O Organize. Because sleep is so important to me, I've discovered a few things that have helped me get all my sheep counted. As I share them with you, you may find one or two that can help you too. In order to get solid sleep every night, you'll want to think about which problems are standing in your way and address those issues first. Consider the lighting, the temperature, comfort, room layout, plus your bedtime and morning routines. When I had lower back pain several years ago, I discovered the power of using a knee pillow to alleviate my discomfort. Now I always have my knee pillow on hand to help me sleep like a baby. Here are a few solutions that might help you. When it's time to hit the sack, you want to make sure your room is dark enough. Start by dimming the lights throughout your home at least an hour before bedtime to put your brain in sleep mode. Install blackout curtains to block any light coming from outside your window, or consider using a sleep tent to create a light-free zone. Personally, I am an eye mask fanatic. I spent years, I kid you not, years looking for the perfect one, and when I found it, it made all the difference in the world. Total darkness. According to research, people sleep best in colder temperatures. If you can't adjust your thermostat, consider buying sheets or sleepwear that keep you cool, using a lighter comforter or quilt, or none at all, or purchasing a humidifier. It doesn't need to be as cold as a hospital in your room, but the cooler you are, the better you'll snooze. Your sleep environment plays a huge role in your ability to get a good night's rest. To have a calm and relaxing bedroom, spend some time organizing and decluttering your space. Add pieces that produce a soothing vibe like a sound machine or essential oil diffuser. Reevaluate your furniture needs. Do you need to remove the TV so you aren't tempted to watch it all night? Do you need nightstands with drawers to hold your sleep supplies? Maybe you need a different sized bed. Is it time to replace the mattress? Having an orderly and peaceful bedroom can go a long way to heavenly sleep. While it's best to wake up naturally, sometimes an alarm clock is a must. Whether you use an old-fashioned alarm clock, your phone alarm, or a device that welcomes you to a new day with light and music, make sure you use one that is reliable, actually wakes you up, and puts you in a good mood. Finally, maintain your perfect sleeping environment by developing routines that will ensure your sleepy success. Create a schedule to wash and change your sheets. Rotate your mattress, and fill up your humidifier. Set up reminders on your phone or in your planner to make sure those tasks get done on a regular basis. After 2 or 3 weeks of doing this, they will become second nature. What a great way to guarantee you get your beauty rest. Whether you sleep a little or a lot, you want to sleep well. We hope these bedtime organizing tips and product ideas will get you well on your way to your best sleep yet.
And if you're needing more help catching some Z's, be sure to check out our blog, 7 Habits for a Better Night's Sleep. See all of our videos on YouTube and follow us on social media. And until next time,
Sweet dreams.
ridiculous.